for the camera. This is our example of hillbilly sledding. That's a box spring that they're on, by the way. This is so ridiculous. And that was it. Hey, what is my truck okay? How do you guys feel about that? Talk to the camera. Was it awesome?